Toilet making loud noise. Alam na this. So mga paps, just want to let you know this job is like 5 to 10 minutes or another 5 minutes. It depends if masikip like this, no space. So yan mga paps, this episode ang pakita ko sa inyo is kung paano how to replace the pill valve with the toilet making loud noise. So yan mga paps, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! This is Alpha and I'm the Papa. Welcome to our channel! Toilet making loud noise. Alam na this. So yan mga paps, the problem in this loud noise is this pill valve. After filling the water, it's making sound. So now it's time to replace. Let's go. So yeah paps, before we start, we need to wear a PPE like mask and these gloves, disposable gloves, because you know. So yan mga paps, ito yung ipapalit nating pill valve dito sa toilet tank making loud noise. So yan mga paps. So first we need to turn off the water. We need to turn off the water and drain. So yan mga paps. Okay, yeah, this is the cause that making loud noise. So now we will gonna replace this one. We call it pill valve. So short, you can adjust here. Please adjust and pull so it's making long. It will be taller. Also, we will gonna replace this water connector. Here's it, the new one, and I will replace by the 12-inch flexible hose. I picked the wrong one. This is for the sink. Sorry guys. So yan yung mga paps. This is the right flexible hose for the toilet. I have 12 inches and I have 16 inches. So before that, I make a mistake for unhurry, so I'll grab the wrong one. This one is for the faucet, like the water in the sink. Just want to let you know, maps. So okay, na-install na natin yung pill valve. Ito siya. So yan mga paps, nakabit na natin yung pill valve. Ito yung pill valve and the water connector to the flash valve. So ayan mga paps, kabit na natin dito yung Kabit na natin sa kabitan natin dito.
A few moments later.
So yan, as I said, the cause of the problem of the loud noise after flushing the toilet is the pill bulb. So after replacing the pill bulb and flush it, yan mga paps, no more loud noise. So thank you guys for watching. So this episode is the making loud noise after flushing the toilet. So I did is replacing pill bulb. So guys,